Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you. So please subscribe below. Let's get started. In today's video, you're going to be getting a step-by-step guide on how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way through. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Trezor, okay? Now, why Trezor? Well, cryptocurrency right now is blowing up, it's trending, everybody's trying to get in on crypto, and Trezor is a wallet, okay? They offer tons of different wallets, they promote tons of different products, tons of YouTubers actually promote them. Transparent security, audited by security research, verified by our track record, 5-star customer support. YouTubers like Altcoin Daily are promoting Trezors and they are making thousands of dollars. Now, how can you make thousands of dollars promoting a simple cryptocurrency wallet? Let me show you how right now. Okay, so it's called affiliate marketing, and how affiliate marketing works, it's really easy. You are going to be promoting a product. You are an affiliate. You're going to be promoting a product or service on your website, your blog, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Quora, Ask.com, anywhere where you can post a link, a referral link. Whenever a customer on the internet clicks on that link and buys the Trezor wallet, for example, you are going to be getting paid, okay? You're not even going to be making the wallet, but they will be paying you, okay? The conversions are going to be tracked by Trezor. Trezor is going to pay you an affiliate. You are the affiliate. They're going to be paying you a commission. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing through Trezor, all you got to do is sign up at trezor.com, sales affiliate, okay? Affiliate partnership. If you have a YouTube channel, a blog about cryptocurrency, digital security, finance, investing, tech, you can make money. So why become an affiliate? You're going to be earning 12 to 15% referral commission for each sale. They're going to be paying you out via wire transfer or Bitcoin every single month, and they will help you out from promo materials to reporting, honestly, anything, okay? And if you look at Trezor wallets, these programs, these wallets, if you look at Trezor T, it costs around 195 US dollars. I'm wrong, 190 US dollars. And you're going to be making around 15% every time someone clicks on that link and buys the wallet. How much you're going to be making? 190 times 0.15. You're going to be making close to $30 from Trezor every time someone buys a wallet. $30 is a lot of money, especially because you're not even doing anything. You're just putting a link in your YouTube description, for example. If you look up cryptocurrency news on YouTube, there is a ton of videos and there is a ton of views. If you look at Altcoin Daily, for example, they have over 800,000 subscribers, 884,000 subscribers, and they have affiliate links in their YouTube description. If you click on this video, for example, they have over 100,000 views per video, so they're getting a lot of eyes on their affiliate links. If you scroll all the way down, and right here, this section, support the channel, they get a kickback from these affiliate links, meaning they get paid from these companies whenever you click on their link, okay? Some of these links have a 30-day cookie, some have a year cookie. For example, Ledger, protect and store your crypto with Ledger Nano. If you click on this link, they might have a 30-day cookie. What does that mean? If I click on this link, I check out their store, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to buy this today, maybe in 15 days, in 2 weeks, I'll buy it. If they buy it 2 weeks from now, this cryptocurrency, altcoin, they're still going to be getting paid for that commission because they're the ones that showed them about Ledger, okay? Get $10 sign up and buy Bitcoin with Swan. They're going to be making money whenever someone buys Bitcoin with Swan. Buy Bitcoin with Cash App, they're going to make money from Cash App. Coinbase is going to be paying them. They're going to be giving the referrals $10 and they're going to make money back. It really depends on the affiliate program. And cryptocurrency is currently trending like crazy, so get on this today. Now, How can you make money with YouTube, even with 0 subscribers? Like I said, affiliate marketing. You can use something like TubeBuddy. It's a free software that a million people use on YouTube to promote their YouTube channel. Okay, they do advanced keyword research. Okay, TubeBuddy is going to help you find high-performing searchable videos and topics with the perfect titles and tags, so you could rank at the very top. Okay, so you could rank at the very top of YouTube's pages. You click back one more time, you're going to be ranking at the very top with TubeBuddy. Okay? Cut publishing time in half. It's going to help you make videos a lot faster so you can post more often. Like I said, rank higher in search results. The more views you get, the more people are going to click on your referral links, the more money you're going to get paid. Later on in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make more money with different types of affiliate programs, not just Trezor. Okay? Get more views and subscribers. With affiliate marketing, you don't need 1,000 subscribers to make money. Okay? You can make money long before you even get paid by YouTube AdSense. Okay? If you look at here, Clickbank, if you go to clickbank.com, they are an affiliate network, meaning they have tons of different affiliate programs that you can sign up for, things you can promote, and you can make money. Some of these programs are paying up to $3,000 in commission. Okay, to get started, all you got to do is click here, start promoting. They have over 100,000 affiliates, meaning people like you promoting tons of different programs. They're available in over 200 countries. They've been going at this for 20 years, and they've paid over $4 billion. Okay, you could also become a seller, but I suggest getting started as an affiliate. If you look at their marketplace, for example, they have tons of different categories. Okay, this one, the bots live trading room, you're going to be making $3,000 per commission. The Tai Lopez 67 steps program, you're going to be making $1,295. If you want to make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing, you can make a stock channel video, promote the bots live trading room program. You're going to be making $3,000 per commission. Okay, so if you get 3 people to sign up and you didn't even have to make any programs, you're going to be making $9,000 before you can even get AdSense on YouTube. You could have 10 subscribers and you could magically promote this program and you can make $3,000 per conversion. Okay, if you scroll down, they have tons of different programs that you can sign up for. Forex signals, $250 per conversion. Bitcoin is back. Okay, this crypto coin ranking software, they're going to be paying you $210 per conversion whenever someone buys that program. Okay, that is a lot of money. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I have a little tutorial down below. All you got to do is enter your first name, enter your email address, and you're going to get instant access. You're going to get a full tutorial from point A to point Z on how you can get started with affiliate marketing today and actually make true passive income online. That is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed, have a great rest of your day. Peace out.